Good morning, everybody. It is Shawnee coming at you live from Daytona Beach, Florida. The day before Hurricane Isa, or whatever the fuck it's called, is supposed to hit. It's supposed to be here today, but it is apparently moving slower and it's actually been reduced to a tropical storm at this point. But either way, we're still supposed to get some crazy fucking weather. So I'm going to be here recording for all your viewing needs. Everything's going to be uploaded to YouTube because the videos just come out way better on that platform than they do on Facebook. So I'll just post the link and you can all follow them and enjoy. So, but here we are at sunrise. It is a beautiful day. Got quite a few people out partaking in the beauty. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm here on my Hero GoPro 7 Black. It's pretty impressed with this thing. So y'all have a great day and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.